Hi everyone, I hope you're having a great day and a great week so far. I'm here today to do an unboxing. I bet you guessed that already. I'm just taking a break in between all the music that I have to look at, and I thought I would dive into this because I frankly cannot leave this box undone without looking inside. So I ordered this about a week and a half ago, and I came home to find it yesterday, and I've got my pink X-Acto knife here. I'm gonna just cut it open and see what we've got. Let's see what I pull out of here. Let us just see. Oh yeah, baby. This first tiny thing is a cake tester and releaser. So it's just a little, like a little prod that you stick down in your cake, and if you pull it out and it has cake on it, then you know that your cake is not done yet and you need to bake it longer. I think that it's going to be better than a toothpick for me, which I've always used a toothpick for that, but I can never find a toothpick when I need one, so this will be in my kitchen drawer. The other thing is that you can do with this is to scrape it around the outside or of the pan. You can take this and just loosen the edges of your cake with that, and then whoop, out it comes. My other trick is that I like to put parchment paper on the bottom of a springform pan, because I find often that I can't move a cake out of a springform pan even after the outer edge is off. I can't get it up off of the bottom, and I don't want it sitting on that springform pan as I'm serving it. I'd rather have it transferred to a nice cake plate or cake stand. So that's why I use the parchment paper. So that's the first thing. Cake tester and releaser. Release the cake! Ooh, it's the mini pan set. So this is the brownie bite pan. I like the look of this. I think that having little individual brownies will be really cool. So I will let you know how this goes when I'm working with it. And the other thing is also a mini cake pan or a brownie pan, but just with larger squares. So there's a lot of ideas and a lot of recipes that you can find on Pampered Chef for these two pans here. So those are very exciting. Ooh, this is a baking rack. So it's got little feet that you can stand up and raise it so that it's not close to whatever surface you might have. There they are. Oh, there. That's pretty neat, eh? So it's for more things that are hot out of the oven to cool them off. A cooling rack. Love that. I have had these horrible mismatched metal racks for years and years and years, and I feel like I want to go pro now. So let's go pro together. Ooh, Cinnamon Plus Spice Blend. Why did I get that? I think that it is part of a bigger something. Ooh, oh, this is the cake lifter. It's called the Slice and Serve. And if I could open it, wait, where's that knife? There we go. Whoop. Get that. I barely ever used that pink knife. And now I'm going to keep it right here by the chair. Yeah, Slice and Serve. Oh, I see it has sharp edges. See the serrated sharp edge on that? So you can slice your cake with it, slice your pie up, and then serve it out. Beautiful. And it has a little cover for safety, so while it's in your drawer and you're scrambling around in there, you do not cut yourself. Love that. Oh, I remember what these are for. These are presses. The actual name is Boat Press Set. I could make a square one with this guy, or a rectangular one with this guy. And then there's another one that you can indent something with as well. So I'm gonna learn how to use those and share that with you as well. Okay, here's the big thing, which is very exciting for me for this time of year, and I will tell you why in 1 second. It's the Electric Pop and Stir. So I saw this in a video somewhere, and it was on special for the month of November. I believe it still is. $148 in Canada. And it is a unit, a little machine that heats things up and has a stirring mechanism, and you can put nuts in it and then end up with candied nuts. You can make popcorn in this thing. There's all sorts of seasonings that you can sprinkle on your popcorn, or even probably caramelize it. And this is what the rest of it looks like. Let me see. Oh, that's the lid on top. Okay, there we go. So this is the base with the dial on the front that you use. It's got the heating element inside there. So this sits on top of that. Would help if I lined the handles up with the little grooves. There we go. Oh, okay, is that it? There, oh, haha. Sat it right down inside there. And now, I'll just move this box over. Can you see that there? Here's the lid. And the lid is a nice high dome, which allows for space for the popcorn. So here's the lid, and I quite like the domed lid. So what comes with this is a few other little accessories. I believe that the Cinnamon Plus and the Garlic Parmesan are part of the package when you order the Electric Pop and Stir set. Comes with these two spices or toppings mixes, and it also comes with a few little brown boxes with some natural twine to tie a bow around, and you can make your own popcorn or nut gifts and give them to people, or make stocking stuffers out of them. So that's kind of a nice idea. I don't know what's in this box. Oh, okay, this is not part of the Electric Pop and Stir. It's my sugar cookie forms. So, well, there's a pumpkin, a heart, a maple leaf, either a snowman or a gingerbread man, could be either one. Here's a snowflake, and this is a multi-sided star, so it's kind of pretty as well. So, oh, and they all go in this really cute little box. So that's what I've got today that I just opened up, and I'm so excited to have just before the holidays.